Dating is the worst it's ever been. People are lonely, disconnected, and swiping through strangers, hoping something sticks. But here's what nobody talks about. The real problem isn't in finding love, it's in keeping it. Most people don't lose the person they love in one big moment. They lose them quietly, in all the small things they stop doing. And by the time they realize, that person's already gone. Not physically, but emotionally. So if you've got someone that you actually care about, watch this. I'm going to walk you through 5 things that silently kill love and what to do instead before it's too late. 1. You stopped being present. You're sat across from them at dinner and you're on your phone. You're in the same room, but your head's somewhere else, and they feel it. And people don't need you to be perfect. They need you to be present. So put the phone down. Look them in the eyes. Listen like what they're actually saying matters, because it does. 2. You stopped growing. The person they fell in love with was moving, building, pushing towards something, and somewhere along the way, you got comfortable. Love isn't just about staying together. It's about growing together. So if you're standing still like I did once, you're falling behind. And eventually, they'll outgrow you. 3. You took them for granted. Stopped saying thank you. Stopped noticing the little things and stopped making them feel chosen. People don't leave because they stopped loving you. They leave because they got tired of feeling invisible. If you're not watering the plant, don't be surprised when it dies. 4. You let fear run the show. Insecurity, jealousy, control, hate for yourself, all just fear wearing different masks. And when you operate from fear, you suffocate the thing you're trying to protect. You check their phone. You question where they've been. That isn't love. That's literally just insecurity disguised as control. And no one needs that. Trust is what keeps people close, not control. And finally, 5, you forgot why you chose them. Relationships get hard, that's life. But you see, most people quit because they forgot why they started. They stopped dating the person they're with, right? Stop choosing them on purpose. So I want you to remember why you chose them and choose them again every single day. Not because it's easy, but because they're worth it and because you're worth it. Love isn't something that you find once and forget about. It is something you fight for daily with your presence, your growth, your gratitude, your trust, and your choice. These are the 5 things. That's all it takes to lose someone. And it's also 5 things that it takes to keep them. If this hit you, send it to someone who needs to hear it. Subscribe if you found it helpful and comment your thoughts. I'll be very grateful to hear them. I'll see you in the next one.